Hello, my lovely people. I welcome you back to my channel. This is your boy Sidako, and this is Sidako Tech Club. I'm just going to give you a short update on the new technological changes that has happened to WhatsApp. You understand? It just came not quite long ago, where you'll be able to use or send a voice note onto your start. It's very, very cool. Some are asking how this is done, and I've taken the time to just quickly go through a way in which you'll be able to do that. Before you be able to do this, kindly note that you must have an updated WhatsApp. How do you know that? You just go to Play Store. So when you get to Play Store, you have to search WhatsApp. You search WhatsApp, and then you have to make sure that this particular site is updated. So you could see here that I need to update. So you tap on update, and then the updation will take place. Yes. So what is new? What is new on WhatsApp? This is what we are talking about. You can now add captions when sending documents, add support for longer group subjects. You can now send up to 100 photos or videos at once. You can now create personalized avatars and use them as stickers and all that. So when you update, this is the new feature that has been added to WhatsApp. So updation is done. We go to open. So when you tap on open, you just go to your start, and then when you get to your start, quickly click on this button. So you tap on this button, and then you will see this here. You will see the recording here. I mean, this button which we have been using to record, you see it here. Just tap on recording, tap on it, and you hold, and then you can send it to your WhatsApp. So basically that is how we do it. Yes. So you need to tap on this, and then you use the record button here. You press and hold, and then you record up to the number or whatever you want to record, and that will be all. You're just done, and then you upload it onto your start. That's cool, right? So we'll keep on bringing you new updates on whatever happened with regards to applications, technology, and etc. Yeah, this is your boy Sidako. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, and make sure you like, share my videos for others to also watch, to help them. You understand? This is actually a technology channel. We deal with all sorts of videos on tech. You can check up on my channel and then watch previous videos about what I've created and the content I have there. Thank you for watching. Stick and say, I will see you in the next video. I'm out.